Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to do 2R, 3R, 4R, and 5R in Microsoft Word. So first head over and launch Microsoft Word and open up your file. Now we have this sample photo right here. Now, for you to be able to change the size of this photo, depending on how you want to change it, if it's 2R, 3R, 4R, and 5R, depends on the sizes that you will enter. So first is click on the photo, then click on picture format. And if you want to change this to 2R, you just have to type in this area, just type in 2.5, then in the next bar, just type in 3.5, press enter, and just with that, you now have the 2R size. Now let's do 3R. Just repeat the same process, but now with different size. Click on picture format. We're gonna leave this as 3.5, then change this to 5, and now you have the 3R size. Next is 4R. You simply type 4 and 6. And just by that, you now have 4R. And lastly, 5R. Just repeat the same process with different size, now with 5 by 7. Then press enter. And just by that, you now have 5R. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!